Hey Roth Stars, so it's me, Tiffany Roth. I'm back with the 5-Minute Fitness, and you may be wondering what these 2 paper towels are for. Okay, so we have our chair workout. That's what we're dedicating ourselves to this month, the chair workouts. But I want you to get 2 paper towels and fold them up in little squares like this, because we're going to do a little cardio blast, and it's going to be super fun. So fold them up like this. Fun is relative, right? You're like, Tiffany, that's not fun. Okay, so you fold them up in little squares like this, and you have your trusty chair. Now, my chair is not pushed against the wall, but I want you guys to push your chair against the wall so that it doesn't slide out. So if I happen to slide out, don't laugh, okay? So I'm gonna put these on here right now. You put them on the balls of your feet. You're gonna hold onto the side of your chair. Good. So you see the little paper towels? Now, if you are at home and if you have a carpet and you can't move on the carpet with the paper towels, get 2 paper plates. Those will work just as well. Get 2 paper plates. So you bend your knees like this and you have your heels off the floor. Keep your shoulders right over your wrists. Don't let your body hang down like this. Keep your tummy in. Put one leg forward, the other one back. Good. And then switch it. Good. So you know when you go to the gym, you get on the Stairmaster, okay? Well, we do all these at-home workouts, the Tiffany Roth workouts. You don't need to go to the gym. You don't need a Stairmaster. You just need a chair and some paper towels. You guys ready? We're going to do 20 together. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 5 and 6 and 7 and 8 and 9 and 10. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Good. You guys are awesome. Okay, so that was set 1. Now we're going to do something else. You're going to bend the knees and keep your tummy tight. We're going to go out and in for some inner thighs. Out and in. Good. Keep your knees bent so you don't get your groin pulled or anything. Keep your knees bent. Bring your knees together and your feet together. Out and in. Just go out shoulder distance. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. All right, you guys are doing great. Lean back, just kind of stretch it out a little bit. For the last one, we're going to combine it. We're going to run on the Stairmaster and then inner thighs. You guys ready? On your toes, heels up, your wrists are right underneath your shoulders, tummy pulled in. Let's go. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4, 5, 6, 7. You got it. Go. 2 and 3 and 4, 5, 6, 7. Keep it going. Go. 2 and 3 and 4, 5, 6. 2 more. Hang in there. Go. 1, 2 and 3 and 4, 5, 6, 7. Last one. Go. 1, 2 and 3 and 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Woohoo! All right, stretch it out. The good thing about the chair workout is that you can sit on it at the end. Okay, so I want you guys to do that 3 times in a row. That's right. 3 times. So you can really get your heart rate up. And then you do the other 3 chair workouts with it. You have a great 20-minute workout.